Large motion databases are valuable not just because they provide many different actions, but also because they provide many variants on a given action. In this video, we present a method for searching a motion database to extract logically similar motions. We then show how these sets of related motions can be automatically converted into parameterized motions that provide accurate, stable, and efficient control. Given a query motion, our goal is to find logically similar motion segments in a database. However, logically similar motions can look quite different. While these two motions are both kicks, the foot trajectory and upper body posture are quite different. In these two reaching motions, the frame-to-frame differences are in completely opposite directions. In practice, we can only automatically identify motions that are close, or numerically similar to the query motion. Our strategy is thus to use these close motions as new queries to locate more distant motions. To answer queries at interactive rates, we pre-compute a data structure called a match web. Any section of a match web corresponds to a pair of motion segments that might be similar. We now show some results of our search algorithm. Query clips are shown in green and the matches in grayish blue. For each of these examples, the entire search process took less than half a second. Scatter data interpolation may be used to find blend weights that produce motions with desired parameters, but this can be inaccurate when examples are sparse. Here each red cube is the apex of an example reach, and the yellow sphere shows a desired reach location. To get more accurate results, we sample the space of blend weights to produce a dense and uniform sampling of parameter space. To prevent undesirable blends, we explicitly limit the allowable amount of extrapolation. Parameters that cannot be attained are projected onto the accessible region of parameter space. Our technique scales well to large numbers of examples, as with these 96 walk cycles. We can automatically remove motions that are well approximated by other examples. The runtime of our synthesis algorithm is independent of the number of examples. This allows us to synthesize this entire motion in real time. We now present some additional examples of parameterized motions created by our system. The automation provided by our system makes it feasible to experiment with unusual parameterized motions. Starting with these cartwheel motions, the entire amount of time necessary to create this parameterized clip, including construction of the match web, selecting a segment of motion, finding matches, and building the parameterization, was less than 30 seconds.